Hey guys, what's happening? How to use mobile hotspot when traveling internationally. First of all, to use a mobile hotspot, make sure to check the carrier plans, right? See if your provider offers international data or roaming packages. And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and get SIM card, right? Buy a local prepaid SIM card for cheaper data rates. And you can use an ES or eSIM, right? Some phones support eSIMs for easy activation for international data plans, right? And unlock your phone. Make sure your device is unlocked to use foreign SIMs, right? And limit any data usage. Disable background apps uh, and streaming to save data, okay? And make sure to check network compatibility, right? Ensure your phone, right? Go to the settings. Ensure your phone or hotspot supports local frequency bands, right? Make sure to turn on the cellular data in order to check the network compatibility, right? And enable a data saver mode, right? Reduce unnecessary data usage on your phone um, and connected devices, right? And secure your connection, all right? Make sure to secure your connection. Use a strong hotspot to basically to prevent unauthorized access and track your usage to avoid overage charges. So let's read out the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.